Hello everyone and a very good afternoon. Today our group will be presenting about our mini project for subject CSC425 Introduction to Computer Programming, which is online movie ticket booking system. First of all, let me introduce our group members that involved in our project, which is me, Muhammad Azim, and Ahmad Naufal, and also Nur Sharifah Hidayah. So for the introduction for this project is, these days, the use of technology is more widespread compared to the manual use. This is because the help of technology, many things can be done easier and accurately rather than using manual methods which are slower and sometimes inaccurate. So because of that, most people prefer doing business by using technological facilities than doing any business manually. So this is problem statement for our project, which is watching movies has become one of fun things to do nowadays. When a person has some time to spend together with their families and friends. Besides, this is one of the mediums of them to spend their leisure time by taking a few hours break from their busy schedules. While there are movies that are already streamed online on television, the newly released movies are only available in the cinema for a certain period of time. Normally, people just walk into the cinema by just buying the ticket. Sometimes there will be a long queue when there are more interesting movie released at the same time. This can be tiresome thing for everyone to plan their hangout activities properly, so they didn't have to wait for their turn and had to come early to book for their seats. As the director of the cinema company, they need to do something to make the booking process easier. This project is aimed to enable the directors and customers to handle the process before watching the movie to become quicker and more convenient. This is because the customer only has to walk to the cinema hall as they have purchased the tickets online. This online movie ticket booking system includes the process of ticket booking for the movie, payment, and seat management. In addition, the system service works 24 hours per day, which will be easier for the customers to book the tickets and significantly reduce the workload to the customers and also to the cinema workers. So for the company, their management team can keep track of all the information without having to sit around at the counter and manage the booking on paper anymore. This will help them manage the entire company. This will help them to manage the entire company process through a system only, as this system will compile out the total sales for the company at the end of the day. These are the objective of our project, which is first to let the users choose the movie. The second one is to calculate the total price of the movie based on the type of the movie in the system. The third one is the system will display a receipt to prove that the customer bought a movie ticket. The next, to avoid the condition of crowded people before entering the cinema hall. And next, to reduce the workload of the staff at the ticket counter. And lastly, launching the movie ticket purchase process. Next, my fellow group members will be presenting about flowchart and the source code.
My name is Nur Sharifah Hidayah binti Mazukipli. I will present about flowchart. Okay, for the flowchart, first we start the program, then the choice will be displayed to the user. So the user can choose one of the choice given. First choice is Mekamato the movie. Then user should choose A for Mekamato. If the user wants to choose another movie, they can choose either B, C, D or E. Next, the program will display the time and the user has to choose either 11:30 minutes in the morning to 2:30 minutes in the afternoon or 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. The user must choose one. Then program will display how many adult viewers then user needs to enter the number of adult. If the adult audience is more than 1, user will get a 10% discount. Then if the adult audience is 1 person, then the program will print the price of RM12 and no discount. After selecting the number of adult viewers, the program will display the number of child viewers. The user needs to enter the value of the number of kid viewers. If the number of kid viewers are more than 1, the user will get a 5% discount. If the kids audience is 1, the program will display is RM9 and there is no discount. Then if the user choose the wrong time, the program will display the time is not available, please choose another time, and the program will end. If the user enters the correct time, the program will display the number of adults, the number of kids, the total price, and thank you for purchase in one receipt. Before the program ends, the program will display do you want to continue. If the user wants to buy another movie in one receipt, the user has to start from scratch without losing the entire data.
Next, we will look at the source code. Okay, this is the main program where we can see the program showing the greeting and also the movie selection. Here there are 5 movie selections available for customers. Next, the program will ask customers to select the movie they want to watch by pressing the letter A, B, C, D or E. After that, the program will ask the customer to select the available time by pressing the letter X or Y for 2 different time options. Next, the program will ask the customer to enter the amount of ticket for adults and kids, and also the program will also calculate the 10% discount for adults and 5% discount for kids if the customer buys more than 1 ticket for both categories. After that, the program will calculate the total price for adult and child tickets. After the customer has entered all the necessary information, the program will show the details of the movie ticket reservation selected by the customers. Finally, the program will ask the customer to choose whether to proceed with the other order or not by pressing the letter Y or N. And here are the sample output for movie ticket reservation. Okay, that's all. Thank you.